And since I'm not beat, and I don't need an ambulance if I was only going about 30.
And we didn't see them because we were in front of you, so.
No, you guys saw.
No, we were in front of you and they didn't see nothing.
How the fuck are we gonna get it out of there?
Oh,
You didn't cut out. Pull it out where? Onto the road?
Yeah.
Alright, start walking.
Just my fucking luck. Alright, that's good. I wish you wouldn't have done that fucking runoff.
sneaky.
You know, right when I saw that guy, I thought he was a cop. I think he is. I think I've been pulled over by him before. Could be, you know, gone too far.